I kind of look scary from all this lighting from down below. Oh man, it's getting pretty late out. Well, maybe not super duper late too, but it's gonna get late tonight. We're gonna be out here working on some MR2s. I know I said in the last video that I was gonna work on the gas tank. I just really don't feel like it. So I think we're gonna tackle some more of the interior here. Maybe just tear down the rest of this wiring harness up here in the front, which is pretty easy too. It's kind of held up with some weird tabs they kind of hold into the chassis. And now I'm looking at my other one. I don't have any more. But we'll figure something out too. There's never a big deal with any of this stuff really. Yeah, I might tear a little bit at the trim for the headliner and the rest of the wiring harness all the way back there, but nothing too crazy. You guys are probably crazy if you're still watching this. There's probably something wrong with you, because I know there's something wrong with me, and if you're watching that, there's probably something. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. I got a haircut too. It's sporting the new haircut, but I look scary with the underlay. Devour. Anyways, let's get to work on some of this stuff. Oh god, this is gonna be a great episode. All right, so now, ooh. All right, now, so I don't know why I started here. So actually where I was going is right there. Now I have this in the way, so I might as well do all this. This is how I do things. One nonsense at a time. Actually doing a good job of keeping it intact. I said I'll hold on to this stuff for a little while, and then it's going in the dump. She's gonna get dumped. I'll tell you that. She's gonna get dumped. That man gonna leave her. Ain't never gonna be around. She gonna get dumped like Forrest Gump. I just tore through the entire interior of this thing. I thought we were filming, but we might have not been. So we kind of missed a little bit of it, but filming these videos too, you get one shot of doing this stuff too. It's like you can put it all back together and try and film it again, but I just don't have the energy to do stupid stuff like that. I've heard of like MTV Crib or Pimp My Ride. Some of you might not even be familiar with that one anymore. But they used to make those guys put this stuff back together if they didn't get the shoot right, and you know, do it all over again or what have you, and that would drive me insane. But yeah, so we're gonna get kicking on cleaning up pretty much. I think we'll get to work on the fuel tank tomorrow morning. See what other energy we can put into this thing. But man, that was a massive undertaking. We'll take a look at some of this stuff. Oh boy, it's late. It's gotta be, you know, probably pretty close to midnight here. But man, look at how much we got all done.
pretty happy, but man, we paid the price. No body injuries or anything like that, but man, did we worked really hard at some of this stuff too. There was a lot of bolts. A lot of bolts. Let's take a look at some of the stuff I got out of this guy here. Yeah, look at all that. There's randos. And then if you look on off yonder, oh yeah, we did it. It says, oops. That's the entire interior wiring harness, including all the fuses, all the relays, everything like that. It's actually not as heavy as I thought it would be. Not as heavy as those damn doors. Some of the stuff on these MR2s is actually pretty heavy too, so I was kind of surprised that the wiring harness didn't weigh so much, but yeah, this is what we got for the evening. Wow, doesn't seem like that much work, but it really turns out to be. There's some more garbage down over here. That stuff, that stuff was all for the junk pile. But yeah, but we even got stuff on the interior pretty much all wrapped up, really. The front's all wrapped up. We're moving right along, really. For the super high view. But yeah, we're pretty much looking good, looking right on track where we want to be, really. Got all the wires pulled over the roof there. Looks kind of cool. Looks like the DeLorean, Back to the Future style. Oops. Yeah, I got everything pretty much done in there that we need. Got all the speakers out. Oh yeah, I also pulled out the entire shifter assembly. Most of the stuff, like I said, is just making it into the car to go along. I think we'll salvage the cowl too. And what else? There was something else major today that we didn't film. Oh yeah, I did the hood hinges real quick. We just pretty much got like a lot of little stuff. A lot of little stuff. That's how they say it around these parts. A lot of little stuff. Take a step back for look at least a little bit more decent. We got some smudges on the head, but I guess that's part of this game. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up some crap here and I'm gonna call it a night. We got a lot of good stuff done. I think I'll come in organize some parts first thing tomorrow morning. See if I can get some more stuff stored on the MR2. Maybe even hang a few parts just to get them out of my way. We need to. Yeah, we need to do some stuff. This is quite the undertaking, but man, This shit is fun. I'm telling you guys. You guys should definitely give it a whirl. And fuck the EPA. Who knows what the hell's gonna happen? I say we just go for it. They can't stop all of us, right? I don't know. Civil disobedience? I don't know. I'm probably gonna get flagged for that one. But yeah, look at what a mess this is. Oh, there we go. Look at what a mess this is. I don't even know if I'll put any of this crap away tonight. I'm super tired. Been a long week at work, tell you that much. And yeah, all this shit isn't helping. It's really hard doing YouTubes and you know, posting every week and doing a full-time and a half job. Oh man, it kills you. But like I said, really didn't think I'd enjoy this so much, doing these videos for you guys, but fuck, this is the life, honestly. I would do this a million times over if I had the chance, really. You know what, fuck it, we're gonna clean up some tools tonight too. Maybe we'll organize a few more parts, but I don't know, I'm just stoked. Really wish I had more words, really. Maybe next time I'll tell a story or two. Everybody's been telling me I should tell some of my stories. I got a lot of stories, and I don't know. Maybe I'll share a few of them with you. I've been around a little bit. Oh man. Anyways, yeah. Guess I'll catch you guys next time. Probably said that a few times now. Don't give a shit. You guys probably don't either. But yeah. Peace.